dye your hair.
Oh, girl, you saw her roots?
Trey, at the end of the day, who cares about being friends with Caroline?
You know, we weren't like the best of friends anyway. She pretty much hangs out with, I guess, just, I guess her kids. She doesn't talk to a lot of her siblings.
Trey, that's none of your business, all right? So, I mean, who cares? Shut up. All right, so, all right, but still.
I didn't deserve being attacked on vacation. When I see Caroline, I'm going to be cordial, say hi to her, and that's it. Nice knowing you, Caroline. Wasn't it great hanging out with my brother, Melissa?
That was good.
And Richie was great, too. Richie, you know,
Richie was all right. Kathy...